I'm Aaron from Columbia.
And I'm Phil from PRC Taping.
In this video, we're going to show you how to use a mud pump. To attach the pump handle to your mud pump, you're going to take the nut out of the bolt that's attached to the link. You need a set of pliers because it is a lock nut. Remove the bolt. Take the handle, take the center part of the handle head with the through hole, line it up with the hole in the pump link. Take the bolt, put it back in through the link and the handle at the same time. Put the nut back on the other side. Then tighten the nut back down. Now that your handle is attached to the pump link, pull the piston shaft up with the quick release pin. Remove the pin. Line the hole on the pump shaft up with the nuts on the handle head. Then take your quick release pin and put it through the both of them. Now your pump's ready for pumping. Seat the pump into the bucket. So you have the leg on the outside and the barrel on the inside. We're going to attach the box filler. So you're going to take the box filler gasket, put it onto the two bolts that are coming out of the head. Then you're going to take the box filler. There's a U side. You're going to drop it onto one of the nuts. And then the hook side is going to hook onto the other one. Then you're going to tighten down your nuts. And using a wrench or pliers, you're going to tighten these down. You want them nice and tight so that the mud doesn't leak out from between here and here, and also so that your box filler doesn't rotate. So the box filler with the spout on it is used for filling nail spotters and flat boxes. And when the spout's off, you use that for filling your corner box. If your pump is brand new and it's just pumping loosely and it's not pumping up any mud, it needs to be primed. Sometimes the gaskets have been sitting for a while and they just need that first initial prime. I'm going to pull the head out. I'm going to drop some mud into the pump barrel. What that'll do is it'll put a little weight on the gasket and it'll prime it and get it ready to pump. Reinsert your pump head, clamp it back down. On both sides. And now you should be ready to pump. Okay, so now we've primed it, we've put a little mud, we're going to pump it. And now you got your mud coming out. The gooseneck goes on the same way as the box filler. You're going to take the U side, put it onto the bolt, then you're going to flip it down so that the hook side hooks onto the other bolt, and then you're going to tighten down the nuts. You want to tighten them the same way that you do for the box filler, just to keep it nice and tight so that it doesn't leak out the top, and also so that the gooseneck doesn't sway when you're filling the taper. Before you use the taper and you've just put the gooseneck on fresh, you want to make sure that you prime the gooseneck. So you're going to pump it until you see the mud come up through the valve there. Take the valve of the taper, seat it into the gooseneck, and you're ready to pump.
A little tip for cleaning your pump at the end of the day is to spray a little bit of oil down this piston shaft, and that will help any mud from getting inside and move freely.
Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. I'd like to thank Phil from PRC Taping for helping out, and visit our YouTube channel for more videos like this.